Hey everyone, happy Labor Day. Welcome back to Dad Life. We're going to be making smash burgers today, slider style. I've got my ground beef, salt and pepper, onion powder, and some garlic powder. And we're going to be putting them when they're done on these Hawaiian slider bun rolls. And we're also going to add some onion rings and tater tots. Stay tuned, here we go. Alright, so this is going to be the size of our slider. We're going a little bit smaller than a regular smash burger, obviously because we're doing sliders. So there we have it. We got 15 smash burgers, slider style. Let's go hit that Blackstone Griddle and see how they turn out. All right, so we're out here with the ingredients, the onion rings, tater tots, and the smash burgers. We're gonna go ahead and put the onion rings and tater tots on first because I know they're gonna take a little bit longer than those smash burgers. So I know you can put these things on frozen, but tonight I let the bags sit out for a little bit in the kitchen just to kind of thaw out a little bit, so when I put them on they would cook a little bit quicker. As you can see, it is starting to get a little dark. We got a late start because we were doing a lot of chores around the house today, doing dad life chores. All right, so our onion rings are cooked. Whoa, almost lost an onion ring on the rear grease management system there. We got them cooking up good. I'm gonna slide them over off to the warm zone here, just to keep them warmed up. And we're gonna go ahead and get our smash burgers on here. All right, so we're gonna do our version of loaded tater tots, just with some cheddar cheese here. We're gonna put some cheddar cheese on them. And then I'm going to cover it up with our Blackstone dome so it'll melt that cheese. All right, we're going to go ahead and get our butter on here for the smash burgers. Get that melted down. All right, so I'm going to use my parchment paper and we're going to give them a smash. And we're going to hold it for 10 seconds. All right, let's check on these taters. Look at those loaded tater tots. That looks amazing. All right, I'm going to take the cover off and let those dig out. And let's go ahead and flip these smash burgers. Look at that crust on those smash burgers. Best to get these tater tots off of here all in one shot. You know what? Let me go with a double spatula. Let me see if I could get an assistant to hold that while I go with a double spatula and see if we can get them to come off all in one. Oh, we got it. Most of it. All right. I think I can do the onion rings by myself. Thank you, assistant. That's what it's about, dad life and the family helping out. So these were supposed to be smash burger sliders. That's why we have the small little pieces of cheese, but we're just gonna go ahead and put them on anyway and see how it goes from there. They're almost like sliders. A couple bigger ones, I'll double up the cheese, and we'll leave a few regular just slider burgers without cheese on them. Oh no, we have a catastrophe. All right, everyone, here is my version, dad life version of smash burger slider style. A little bigger than the sliders, but it'll work. Let's go in and give this a try. Well, here I was out there talking about how my smash burger slider style wasn't really a slider, but it actually fits on there pretty good. I like a little mayonnaise on mine. Some mustard. All right. Let's try dad life smash burger slider style. Here we go. You get the ketchup off the side of my lip here. All right, everyone. Happy Labor Day again. Hope everybody had a great weekend. If you like what you see, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe down there. It's been a great weekend. Thanks for choosing Dad Life. Have a good one.